Hello and welcome everyone. Today we are going to see how do we translate the platform of Artha job board from one language to another. For that we need two to three different sections where the translation changes needs to be done. First I will show you how the English version for the website is looking right now. As you can see, these things are in English. Now few of them we will be changing and seeing it how it will look when the language has been changed. First we will start with the banner image information. So we will go to manage portal, then we will go to widget section, because there you will get this English version which you can just replace it with the language version that you want. So now we will just click on the homepage banner section. We'll navigate ourselves to the banner image information. So we will go to manage portal, then we will go to widget section, because there you will get this English version which you can just replace it with the language version that you want. So now we will just click on the homepage banner section. We'll navigate ourselves to the content, and then we will just remove this content and add our version. Now as soon as I will update it, you will see right now it's in English. Once I refresh it, it has turned into the Spanish version that we had added. Now next we will be changing few of the other things from the user panel itself. First will be the job seeker login. For that we will go to settings, then we will go to appearance. We'll click on edit, and as here you can see the header management option is there. We will just copy the translated version and replace it over here. Similarly with employer login we will do it, and then with post to job. Once these changes are done, we'll just save them, and then we'll just go to the home page, refresh it, that the header section has also been changed into the Spanish language. Now we will see the different sections where you need to do changes if you want the whole platform to be in a different language. First that we saw was widget. Here you can change all the type of widgets. All the information given here can be edited from the widget section. Next one was appearance. If you go to settings, the first section itself is appearance. Here you can change the header and footer as per the language that you want. You just have to change it and save it. Now next will be text and translation. For that we will just go to text first. Here as you can see there are two different panels. One is user panel, one is admin panel. So if you want your users to see a different language, you need to change all this information. And if you also want that the admin should be reading the same language, that you can change all the text over the admin panel as well. As you can see, as soon as you will copy paste and search it over here, you will see the English version. Once you replace it with the Spanish version and save it, the same thing will be visible on the platform. We'll just go here, refresh the page, and here you can see that the changes have been made and the text presented over here is in Spanish rather than in English. Now next will be notifications. So now we will just again search the English version. And then we will replace it with the Spanish version. Once done, I will show you how it looks at the end of this process. Now, as we have seen two different things, one was text, next was notification. Now we will see how you can change the emails as well in your preferred language. You just need to go to the English version of the email. Then you have to copy the language in which you need it. Once done, you have to it will be successfully saved. Now we will see how does the notification looks when it is changed. As you can see, I am going to create an alert. Once I will click here, the notification will come into Spanish rather than in English. Now, what if we want to change these things as well? For these things, we have to go to a different section which will be Manage Portal, so we'll be changing it for few of them just to see how it will look. So now as we have changed few of the categories into Spanish, we will just go to the user front panel and we will see how does that look once changed. As you can see, few of them have been changed, the ones which we did from the backend, and those are now available in Spanish language. Now let's say for example we want to change the other information provided over the filters as well. For example, if we want to change job preference and the data given in that into Spanish, for that we have to go to Manage Portal, then we have to go to Masters, then we have to go to Submasters. Now we have to find the masters which we need to translate in a different language. As you can see over here, there are 3 different location types. First is hybrid, so we will be changing that. Then once this is changed, we will go to text and translation again. Go to text. As we can see, the title given here is a text, is job preference. So we will go to text option of user panel, select the information, and then we will just change that as well. We will just replace it, and then we will go to the user panel once and see how the translated version looks like. As you can see on the left hand side, that once you change the language in the master, it is reflecting on the user panel here as well. So this is how you can change the whole platform bit by bit into a different language. You can use text and translation, all the 3 sections over there. Text, email and notifications will help you to translate the whole platform according to your language requirement. Then widgets will help you to make your platform look attractive in the language that you want. And then the masters will help you with the filters and other information. Thank you.